Have you ever gotten a new computer, opened up Microsoft Edge, and realized none of your favorites are there? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your favorites from one computer to another in Microsoft Edge. If you find this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's dig in. First, let's export your favorites. Open the Edge browser, head to the top right, and click on the three dots menu. From there, select Favorites. Here you'll see all of your saved favorites. To export them, click the More menu, the horizontal three dots, and choose Export Favorites. You'll be asked to save an HTML file. By default, it's named Favorites with today's date. Pick a location, then click Save. Now let's import those favorites to the new computer. Open Edge, click the three dots menu in the top right, and select Favorites. From there, go to the More menu, choose Import Favorites, and then select Import Browser Data. You'll land on the screen with several options, even the ability to import from Google Chrome. But for this, select Favorites or Bookmarks HTML file. Click Choose File, browse to the file you saved earlier, and open it. All of your favorites will now be imported into Edge on the new computer. Once that's done, click Done. But there's actually an easier method, syncing your favorites. Instead of exporting and importing, you can just sign into Edge. Look at the top corner of the browser and click your profile icon. Click Sign in to sync data, then turn on Sync. As you can see, my account is signed in and it says Sync is on. This doesn't just sync favorites, it also syncs passwords and other browser content. So whenever I get a new computer, all I need to do is sign into Edge with the same account and boom, all of my favorites instantly appear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.